Mercylion, the most trusted dashcam brand of global car makers. Over 10 years, Mercylion focuses on the research and development of Wi-Fi hidden dashcam, and has provided customized services for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Porsche, Maserati, Land Rover and other luxury car brands for many years. With innovative technology enriching people's travel and lifestyle. More and more people use recorders to drive civilly. A mobile phone can easily check the driving data. With AI intelligent voice interaction function, you can take photos, open hotspots, lock videos and other corresponding operations just by saying instructions. So that drivers can not only focus on safe driving, but can take a picture of the license plate number on a road trip. Low-light night vision function, recording night images are also clear. No Wi-Fi, no intelligence. In mobile phone intelligent control era. By communicating with your mobile phone via Wi-Fi, you can download and view materials from your mobile phone. High-definition vision makes the road scenery. Travel with 4K, every frame is super clear. GPS shows the driving track, longitude, latitude, speed, escort for your travels. Witness and share together to enrich the life of the internet community. With the popularity of motorcycle travel, Mercylion launched a motorcycle dashcam based on the concept of happy driving, happy sharing. Long-lasting battery life and stable performance. It can guarantee high-intensity, long-term recording, and effectively record beautiful scenery. After more than 10 years of precipitation, Mercylion's independent research and development capabilities are far ahead. Mercylion has won a number of industry authoritative patents and has its own import and export rights. Its products are exported to dozens of countries and regions such as the United States, Germany, Russia, Kenya, and have a far-reaching impact. In the future, Mercylion will continue to focus on product innovation and quality improvement, and perform cutting-edge technology at the forefront of the world.